Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TurboTax. First, select the TurboTax product that best fits your tax situation, whether it's for simple returns or more complex scenarios involving investments or self-employment. Next, gather all your essential tax documents, like W-2s, 1099, and receipts for deductions. Finally, create a new account or sign in to your existing one to begin the process. Once logged in, TurboTax guides you through entering your personal details and income from various sources, such as W-2s and Form 1099s. Be sure to accurately report all your earnings. Then, input any deductions or credits you qualify for, like student loan interest or child tax credits, to maximize your refund or minimize your tax liability. Always double-check your entries for accuracy. After entering all your data, TurboTax performs a thorough review, checking for common errors and missed deductions. Pay close attention to any suggestions it provides. Once satisfied, select your filing method: e-file for the fastest processing, or print and mail your return. Finally, confirm your filing status and ensure any tax payments or refund details are correct before submitting. After successfully filing, it's crucial to keep copies of your complete tax return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. If you're expecting a refund, you can easily track its status on the IRS website using your Social Security number and refund amount. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Staying organized helps for future tax seasons and potential audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.